Imagine you're at a grocery store to buy a sack of rice. Will you check every single grain in the sack? Of course not. You'll take a handful of rice, look at it carefully, and then decide whether the whole sack is good. Now imagine you've just baked a delicious cake. Would you eat the entire cake just to see if it tastes good? That would be very funny. You simply take one bite, or one slice, to judge the taste. Statistics works in exactly the same way. In statistics, the statistical population is the complete collection of individuals, objects, or observations that we want to study. A sample is a subset of that population, selected to represent the whole. So, in our examples, the entire sack of rice is the population. The handful of rice is the sample. Similarly, the whole cake is the population. The single bite, or slice, is the sample. Instead of studying everything, statisticians study a sample to make conclusions about the entire population. Let's look at two real-life examples. First, quality control. Imagine a factory produces 100,000 light bulbs every day. Testing every single bulb would take too much time and cost too much money. So, engineers test only a small sample of bulbs. If the sample meets the quality standards, they can confidently make decisions about the entire batch. Here's another example. Suppose a university wants to know how satisfied its students are with campus facilities. Instead of asking every student, it surveys a carefully selected sample. The responses from that sample help the university understand the opinions of the entire student population. So, remember, a statistical population is the complete group you want to study, whereas a sample is a smaller part chosen from that population. By studying a sample, statisticians can make reliable conclusions about the whole population, while saving time, money, and effort. Now, here's a fun fact. Before a new medicine is approved for public use, scientists don't test it on all the patients. Instead, they first test it on a carefully selected sample of volunteers or sometimes on other species. The results from that sample help researchers determine whether the medicine is safe and effective before it reaches millions of people. That's the incredible power of statistics. A small sample can help make decisions that benefit the whole world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.